The all-new Paslode Impulse Positive Placement Nailer features the premium technology Paslode is known for with new and improved features. Suitable for a variety of applications including joist hangers, I-joist hangers, triple grips, multi-grips, strap racing and other metal connectors, the PPN-Master handles it with speed and precision. Using the Positive Placement Nail Guide, you get extremely accurate placement of your nails, and with the updated exposed tip design, it's never been easier to find guide holes. With its tapered design with a little bit of give, it fits effortlessly. Paslode's Impulse gas technology takes nailing to the next level with its best-in-class weight, power and balance. You can control your depth and drive with the adjustable thumb wheel so you get a consistent result every time. The nailer has a fast single-shot solution that prevents metal connector damage and distortion, and the fan features an extended runtime for an added cooling boost to achieve higher performance. Quickly and easily load your nails with the super simple bypass follower. It saves time and effort that we don't need to spend on site. The slip-proof head cover prevents sliding on wet and smooth surfaces, and the rubberized grip gives the user a comfortable grip for optimal control. Paslode designed the body to have a flat head for a balanced and easy pickup, with a contoured body to optimize line of sight for accurate nail placement. You can just feel how much thought was put into the design within minutes of use. The tried and tested Impulse technology delivers maximum tool life and performance with its fixed dose fuel dispensing system. Once you get your hands on this nailer, you can expect 10,000 shots per charge with a cycle rate of around 1,000 per hour and a fuel cell life of around 800 nails. Paslode now have their own brand of nails too, with the 35mm P nail for triple, multi-grip and strap racing, as well as the 40mm P Plus nail for joist and I-joist hangers. These high quality nails are easily identifiable for inspectors, and once they see the Paslode symbol, they can be assured that the job's been done right. Paslode Impulse PPN-Master is a fast, efficient and easy nailer that will handle all metal connecting tasks with ease. You can grab one for yourself at selected trade tool stores or online at tradetools.com.